guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, as you can tell by the title again, we are going to be making slime. Okay, before we get started with this video, if you hear any banging upstairs, it's because we are remodeling our upstairs. And also, I had actually been wanting to do this video for a really long time because slime and I have a really big history together. So slime and I actually used to make slime all the time, every night, and take it to school and actually sell it there. I'd sell it in the library and I'd show it to my library teacher. So every time we had like a party for like AR and stuff, we would actually have slime parties. So they got that idea because of me. Alright, now let's introduce.
Hey guys, I'm Leah.
And your turn. Say your name.
I'm Kitty. Welcome to my channel. Look it!
Now we're going to be sharing what we have to make our slime and how we're going to make it. Okay, now I'm going to be introducing our ingredients. So first we have Elmer's school glue, and we got 1 whole gallon. And then we have the baby's detergent and yeah, we decided to use this instead of activator because in my opinion activator doesn't really work well and the slime doesn't come out as stretchy and sticky. Okay, next we have shaving cream in case we want to make fluffy slime. Yes, and then we have a cup to pour it in. A cup to pour this detergent in. Next we have some Ziploc little containers to put in the slime after we make it. And these are the decorations. So we have some glitter. Sparkling glitter.
Are
you saying everything I'm saying? And then we have the food coloring. And then some beads. They're all like mixed, and I think that's really cool because the slime could be different. Okay guys, so the first thing we're going to be doing is making slime. Okay, so the first thing we are going to do is pour on our glue. Make sure you use a bowl for this. I poured a good amount in mine, very little on Petey's because he will make a mess. And of course, Liam wanted a lot of glue. I'm going to get the Dreft baby detergent and pour it into a cup. I've used many detergents and Dreft is my favorite. It just gives the slime this really great texture. I poured a little detergent in each of our bowls. Once you mix it and feel your slime, you can continue to add detergent or leave it as it is. I like my slime super stretchy, so I don't add too much. My brothers like theirs bouncy, so they tend to add more. Now we just need to mix it until all the glue is off the sides. It's shaving cream time! I seriously love how shaving cream makes the slime feel so fluffy. It reminds me of a cloud. Don't add too much shaving cream though because your slime then will feel super slimy and gooey. Just add about a cup full and then mix. My little brother because his came out too sticky. Also, we're also going to start coloring our slimes, and these are the same food colorings we used when we were making our rainbow cupcakes. Make sure to go check that out. Okay, so now to add color to our slime. I wanted something magical looking, so I decided to make a lavender looking color. To achieve this, I went ahead and mixed the colors blue and red together. It came out so beautiful. Liam wanted a deep dark blue, so he put several drops of food coloring, but it ended up turning out baby blue. Petey wanted a lime green, and we were excited because it came out like their favorite YouTubers. Share Greeny Green. We love it! So now that we've already colored our slime, well, we're going to decor it, but before we're going to describe our color.
I want pink.
No, this is purple. Yours is, it's Share Greeny Green.
Purple.
And yours?
Baby blue. Purple. Baby blue.
I really like the way ours came out.
Baby blue.
It kind of reminds me of like Cool Whip because, I don't know, it looks like Cool Whip and whipped cream. I love Petey's because it was supposed to like be like a neon green, but instead it came out like lime or like Share Greeny Green.
It came out really cool.
And I love Liam's. My brothers are going to go ahead and put a handful of beads in theirs, and I'm going to put some glitter. I'm going to add this beautiful glitter color. It looks iridescent, and it's making my slime look even more magical. I went ahead and mixed it up and decided to add tons of more glitter. Liam and my little brother Petey went ahead and put a lot of beads in their slime to give it a gooey and bumpy texture. Their slime looks so cool. I'm so proud of little Petey. He was able to do all of this with little to no help, and he didn't even make a mess. Yay, Petey! Now to store our slime in these Ziploc containers. Look at how ooey gooey our slime looks. It's so satisfying. Okay guys, this is the end of our slime video, and as you can tell, we are done with our slimes. Mine came out a little bit sticky, but I think that's okay because I know how to manage it. Woo! I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please make sure to be careful if you ever decide to make slime. Make sure to use like protection, like something like this, or do it in a bowl. Also, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. As I mentioned earlier, please like, subscribe, turn on your post notifications, and hit that big thumbs up. Always on. Oh.
Always me.